Hello everyone, I am back with another video. In last video we have successfully created the text view. Now in this video we are going to create one button and going to display one toast message by on the clicking of the button. So this is the design I have created on my last video. I'm going to edit it. Let's open the activity main XML file over here. So here is a text view. Below this text view, I will take one button. So let's take one button below this text view, app compact button, and the width I am setting as wrap content, and the height I am setting as wrap content. It will be wrap according to the content. Okay. If I if I have set it to the match parent, it will take the height according to the size of the screen, and width is also according to the size of the screen. So I am setting is a wrap content. Now I need to specify the constraint. So in constraint layout, the constraint work horizontally and vertically. If I set the start to start, it will work horizontally. Let's set the start to start. Let's work the start to start of parent, and it will move here. Now, if I set top to bottom of, it will move below it. Let's set top to bottom of intro TV. As you can see, it move below it. And if I set end to end, and it will move horizontally toward this, and it will move towards center over here. Let's set end to end of parent. As you can see, it moves toward the center. I can also give the margin from the top. Let's set the margin top to 10 dp over here. As you can see, I can also set the text of the button. Let's test the text of the button. Text, and the text I am setting as login over here. So I need to extract the string resource from the text. Let's click over here, Alt plus Enter, extract the string resource and click OK. As you can see, the file by the name of login has been created on our string.xml file over here. Now move to the activity main XML file over here. Let give one ID to the button. ID I am giving it as login button, and let's close this. Okay, I can also set the background color, background @green. As you can see, I have successfully changed the color of our button. Now move to the our main activity file over here. I'm going to implement the logic of our button over here. First, late initialize it. Late init where button of type button. Now after that, I'm going to initialize it over here. Button is initialized to find view by ID, and here I will pass the ID of our button. ID dot, I have set the ID which was login button over here. Okay, more action and import was, let's remove this. Control Z. Let's remove this error first. Or I can need to set over here. Let's surpass it. Okay. Now after there may be some error I'm getting it. Let's again rewrite it over here. R dot ID dot login button. Now you can see the error has gone. Okay. I don't know why the error was coming. Now the error has gone. So by after clicking of this button, I'm going to display one toast message. So I will write button dot set on click listener, and by clicking on this button I will print one toast message over here, and let's print one toast message toast dot make text, and it will take the context is this, and the next it will take the text I am passing here as login is pressed. After that it is asking the duration of the toast, so toast dot length, the duration of the toast is can be short or long. I am taking short over here, and dot show. Okay, now let's run the application and check how the toast message will work. Let's run the application. Now let's run the application. As you can see, the application has successfully been launched, and if I press to do the login button over here, you can see I am getting the toast message over here. Login is pressed. Okay, hope you understand. So this is the lecture of our button. So on our next video, we are going to learn about the edit text in Android. Okay, thank you.